Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Twilio SMS in a Python project step by step clearly. To activate Twilio SMS in a Python project, start by creating a Twilio account. Visit the Twilio website and sign up if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can find your account's ID and auth token. Make a note of these credentials as you'll need them later. Next, purchase a Twilio phone number capable of sending SMS. In the dashboard, locate the phone numbers section and click Buy a Number. Select a number and complete the purchase process. Now, open your Python project in your preferred IDE. Ensure you have Python installed on your system. If you haven't already, install the Twilio Python library using pip. Open your terminal and type pip install Twilio. Once the installation is complete, create a new Python file in your project. Import the Twilio client at the top of your Python file with the following code. Python from twilio.rest import client. Next, create a client instance with your account SID and auth token. Use the following syntax to initialize the client. Python client equals client, your underscore account underscore SID, your underscore auth underscore token. Now, you can prepare to send an SMS. Define the necessary details like the sender's phone number, recipient's number, and the message content. Use the following code to send the SMS. Python message equals client.messages.create, body equals your message here, from underscore equals your underscore Twilio underscore phone underscore number. Check the console for any output messages that confirm the SMS has been sent. You can verify the SMS was sent by checking the recipient's number. If you encounter any errors, review your account's ID, auth token, and phone numbers for accuracy. Once you've confirmed it's working as expected, you're all set. Now, you can integrate Twilio SMS functionality into your broader Python project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.